Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about WBHRV Staff Nurse Grade 2 2025 CBT based question answer Part 12. Let's start. The first question: the height of child becomes double of his or her birth at the age of option A 4 years, option B 2 years, option C 3 years, option D 1 year. The correct option is option A 4 years. Endoscopy is sterilized by option A autoclaving, option B boiling, option C glutaraldehyde, option D dry heat. The correct option is option C glutaraldehyde. The authority for professional registration after completing of nursing training is dash. Option A TNAI, option B INC, option C SNA, option D none of the above. The correct option is option B INC. Which mode of transmission required a negative pressure room and N95 mask for the healthcare worker? Option A droplet, option B contact, option C vector-borne, option D airborne. The correct option is option D airborne. What is the definitive diagnostic test for confirming active pulmonary tuberculosis TB? Option A PPD skin test, option B chest X-ray, option C sputum culture, option D IgRA blood test. The correct option is option C sputum culture. Which test is more specific for diagnosing pregnancy? Option A upper abdominal ultrasound, option B urine HCG, option C serum beta HCG, option D bimanual exam. The correct option is option C serum beta HCG. A nurse is teaching a client about breast self-examination BSE and post-mastectomy care. Which of the following statements made by the client indicates correct understanding? Option A I should perform BSE randomly whenever I remember. Option B I should check my breast only while lying down. Option C I should avoid IVs and blood pressure measurements on the arm of the mastectomy site. Option D I do not need to check my armpit or collarbone area during BSE. The correct option is option C I should avoid IVs and blood pressure measurement on the arm of the mastectomy site. How many pairs of cranial nerves are present in human body? Option A 12 pairs, option B 10 pairs, option C 15 pairs, option D 31 pairs. The correct option is option A 12 pairs. Ideal time for CUT insertion is option A 4 to 5 days period to menstruation, option B 4 to 5 days of menstruation, option C 7 days after menstruation, option D 14 days after menstruation. The correct option is option B 4 to 5 days of menstruation. National Program for Control of Blindness was launched in the year option A 1976, option B 1962, option C 1982, option D 1995. The correct option is option A 1976. Which type of vaccination involves administering a killing or weakened pathogen to stimulate an immune response? Option A active immunity, option B herd immunity, option C passive immunity, option D natural immunity. The correct option is option A active immunity. Normal FHR beats per minute at term is option A 60 to 100, option B 80 to 120, option C 120 to 160, option D 140 to 200. The correct option is option C, 120 to 160. A patient with central line catheter develops fever and chills. What is priority nursing action? Option A, remove catheter immediately. Option B, send blood culture from catheter and peripheral vein. Option C, start antibiotics before culture. Option D, flush catheter. The correct option is option B, send blood culture for catheter and peripheral vein. A nurse notes that a chest tube has stopped fluctuating. No tidalling. What is the most likely cause? Option A, blockage or tube kink. Option B, increased drainage. Option C, pneumothorax resolved. Option D, leak in drainage system. The correct option is option C, pneumothorax resolved. To do percussion and postural drainage of lungs in bronchiectasis, what body position of the patient a nurse should use? Option A, supine position. Option B, prone position. Option C, decubitus position. Option D, semi-phallus position. The correct option is option B, prone position. Nurse is about to insert Rayleigh's tube for a patient. Before this act, she must be aware of the distance between incisor teeth and gastroesophageal junction. Which of the following is correct distance? Option A, 30 cm. Option B, 40 cm. Option C, 50 cm. Option D, 60 cm. The correct option is option B, 40 cm. A nurse can decontaminate the HIV contaminated waste products with all the following except option A, formaldehyde, option B, methanol, option C, glutaraldehyde, option D, sodium hypochlorite. The correct option is option B, methanol. Direct action of parathyroid hormone include everything except option A, increased reabsorption of calcium from bone. Option B, increased absorption of calcium from intestine. Option C, increased reabsorption of calcium from kidney. Option D, increased production of 1,25 dihydroxyvitamin D. The correct option is option B, increased absorption of calcium from intestine. When does implantation typically occur after fertilization? Option A, 1 to 2 days. Option B, 3 to 4 days. Option C, 6 to 7 days. Option D, 10 to 12 days. The correct option is option C, 6 to 7 days. As per the recent WHO classification of dehydration in children, all the following are type of dehydration except option A, no dehydration. Option B, moderate dehydration. Option C, severe dehydration. Option D, some dehydration. The correct option is option B, moderate dehydration. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.